In this video, I want to show you how to load paper in your HP Color Laserjet Pro printer or Laserjet Pro printer. So let's get started right away. To load paper, well, you have to go right in the front here. This is a drawer, so you simply have to slide your finger and pull the drawer towards yourself. Now this drawer can come out completely. Let me remove this paper so you see better. If we take a look over here, depending which size of paper you're going to input, you'll be able to change over here these adjustments. So as you see, I'm simply pinching this blue, I don't know, let's call it lever, and I'm able to move, okay, the arrow that is right over here. And you have some markings with different paper size, and depending which one you're going to use, well, you'll need to stop this arrow beside it. So in my case, I'm printing on 8.5 by 11. This is US letter size, so this is why I stopped at 11, but you can print on up to 14 inches. This drawer goes. Okay, and then you also have another blue guide over there. Same thing, you're going to move it, and depending on which paper size you're going to print on, so in my case it's 8.5, I'll have to push it to the extremity. Now this printer has another paper input. I'll show you in just a few seconds. So over here in this drawer, you just have to take the stack of paper, align it, and let it sit. Okay, this way. An important thing is, if we look on the side, we're gonna have this symbol. You see 3 triangles with a line. Never go above this line. So the stack of paper that you can input over here is quite high, but if you go above this line, well, the paper may jam. At the end, simply insert back the drawer, and this is it. Now the second paper input is in the front over here. Pull this, and this is our second paper input. It's mostly used for envelopes or for other types of paper, so you can have 2 types. Unfortunately, this needs to stay open every time you use it. To use it, you simply have to extend, this over here, this plastic tray, and over here, same thing. You'll be able, depending what you're trying to print on, to change the size by pinching this blue guide. If you're printing on envelopes, well, you can bring them together like this and insert your envelope right in the middle. At the end, you can close it back the same way you have opened it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.